Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Climafy Air Conditioner, whether it's a scam or legit. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. The Climafy Split Max is a portable air conditioner that claims to cool your space quickly and efficiently. It's compact, plug and play, and even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. According to the official site climafypro.com, it's ideal for bedrooms, offices, and other small rooms. On Trustpilot, most reviews are actually positive. A lot of customers say the Climafy AC works well in small spaces, cools things down fast, and runs pretty quietly. Some even mention it being handy during heat waves or in rooms where central AC doesn't reach. There aren't many in-depth technical reviews out there, and Malware Tips mentions the brand briefly, but nothing super detailed or alarming. So is the Climafy AC worth it? It looks like a real product that works for basic cooling in smaller spaces. If you're expecting a powerful unit for a big living room, this probably isn't it. But for dorms, bedrooms, or workspaces, it could be a convenient option. Just remember it's a lesser known brand, so while the reviews are mostly good, you'll want to keep that 60-day return policy in mind just in case. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.